Now let's talk about liquid dentist. I know you used to be a dentist, so you're an expert in the field of dentistry. Tell us how it prevents tooth decay and how it also helps our immune system.
Well, liquid dentist is extraordinary. It's a privilege for me to introduce it to the world. Essentially, it is unlike anything, and you can actually experience that very rapidly. When you swish your mouth after a good mechanical cleaning with liquid dentist, you notice this extremely clean feeling, smooth feeling of your teeth. And unlike a dental appointment or a hygienist visit, whereby within a half an hour, certainly an hour after you get out of the hygienist chair, if you touch your teeth with your tongue, you feel kind of like a little first layer of what's called pellicle. It's a mucopolysaccharide layer that films over your teeth, and that this then presents the germs with a medium in which to grow. So that's called plaque, and that's when the bacteria grows, the plaque develops, and then you get potential infectious diseases of the mouth, dental decay and periodontal diseases. This is what the liquid dentist eliminates. Essentially, if you rinse your mouth, and you can feel the difference with 2-minute rinse following good mechanical cleaning like normal, brushing and flossing, and then mechanically, of course, getting rid of any food particles that are in your teeth that might block the liquid dentist from getting to your teeth. Well, you clean that first, and then what happens is that the liquid dentist has an extremely unique lysozyme enzyme that attaches to the tooth surface that then prohibits the formation of pellicle for over 2 days, so that you have an extended period of safety. Now, that's not reparative, that's preventative. What's reparative about liquid dentist is that it actually remineralizes tooth structure and has oxygenating, ozonating elements within the liquid dentist that actually then kills the bacteria within the tooth structure that are causing the decay. And then it also has remineralizing elements inside the mouth rinse, so that when you rinse a tooth and you swish with liquid dentist, after you've killed off the germs that are causing the decay, the tooth actually, based on research and science, literally remineralizes. Now, if you do the science, if you study what ozone, medical ozone that's used in dentistry, and for a 20-second exposure to deep decay, you kill off all the germs. And the science shows that if you follow that with a remineralizing mouth rinse that contains calcium and phosphate, magnesium, a variety of minerals that are good for your body and good for your tooth structure, then the tooth actually remineralizes harder and more decay resistant than the original tooth structure. So that's the science upon which liquid dentist was formulated. Now, just to be safe, we recommend that people avoid the standard decay-causing nutrition, such as the sugars and the types of chocolates and the sticky foods that have a lot of sugar in them that literally incite the bacteria to pee out the acids that cause the tooth decay and cause the problems. Obviously, you want to eliminate those from your diet, and then if you do that, you mechanically clean, you then use liquid dentist. Now you've got this optimal preventative dental approach to not only maintaining your good oral health, but also returning your decayed teeth as well as your gums back to the optimal healthy condition. And that's not even the best of liquid dentist. On top of all of that, you get a liquid dentist nutritional immunization when you swallow. You don't spit this out. It's too expensive and too valuable to spit out. If you rinse for 2 minutes, because the mouth is one of the dirtiest places on the planet, it has over 500 different forms of bacteria and countless other viruses. When you rinse with liquid dentist, you kill off those germs, you break them apart, you swish them around, it breaks them down, and then when you swallow liquid dentist, it not only delivers this enhanced microsilver exposure to, again, enhance your immunity against infectious diseases, but it also provides you and your gut and your immune system, the Peyer's patches within your gut, delivers to them the microbes that have been broken down, and then it delivers, because of that, a message to the rest of the immune system to develop immunity against these types of infectious diseases. So this is extremely unique. There's no other product like liquid dentist in the world today, And I'm, again, privileged and humbled to be working with the folks that developed this on my request.
Thank you so much for joining us on this, Dr. Horowitz, and being able
Pleasure.
to share with everybody all of your amazing
Happy to be
knowledge
here.
on these products. And God bless you all.